Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Maybe today's the day to talk about companies that stand behind their product and their warranties. For years I've been wearing Blundstone work boots with the green tag, with the steel shank and steel toe. They're the most comfortable pair of boots I think I've ever worn. Sturdy, outlast everything. In this case, we've had a small defect happen on the sole on the right boot, and lo and behold, sent a little email to Blundstone, and they responded, and they've sent me a new pair of construction rated Blundstone boots. I'm going to show them to you. I'm highly impressed. Here we go. Here are the new boots that were sent by Blundstone to replace the ones that were damaged or had a defect in them. They're fully warranted. All they need is a little protective dubbing or some other waterproofing agent on the outside, and we're all set to go. Hey, if you like what you heard, please press subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time.